Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of mathematics. Today we'll see the new chapter, that is applications of trigonometry. Yes, it is related to trigonometry itself. These are the questions now we are going to do, which are related to statementical problems. Trigonometry itself, but statementical problems. Okay, children. Today we'll see the first one, that is angle of elevation. In applications, we'll see the angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Let me see here. Fine. Angle of elevation. Since we know this is right angle triangle from the same result, and this is the line, and this is the line is called line of sight. Line of sight, and this is horizontal line. Horizontal line. Line of sight, and this is a height we can call. And yes, now this is the one of the angle related to going above the horizontal line, called, let us take as theta. Theta is nothing but angle made between horizontal and line of sight. This angle between horizontal and line of sight called angle, that is nothing but theta. So the line of sight, the definition of angle of elevation, line of sight, the line of sight is above the horizontal line, and angle between the line of sight and horizontal line called angle of elevation. Once again, the line of sight is above the horizontal line. The line of sight, this is the line of sight above. It's above the line of sight. Sorry, the line of sight is above the horizontal line, and angle is between line of sight and horizontal line is known as angle of elevation. So that is elevation. We'll see on this angle of elevation some problems so that you can understand very easily. Okay, children? Yes. We'll see on angle of elevation some problems. Yeah, if you have a textbooks, please refer the exercise number 12.1, first problem. We'll see that 12.1, first problem. These are the statementical problems. Fine. These are the statementical problems. So I have to check the textbooks compulsorily. So where some place if I will write here the question, right? Okay, children? Yes. The very first problem of angle of elevation from textbook 12.1, first one. Here the most important thing is, this is the most important thing, and the most important thing to mention in the examination is statements. All our theoretical problems, all our statementical problems have to maintain the statements first of all, and the diagram. Calculation part will be very less, and also it is very easy. The statements and the figure is most important. If you will maintain that, 70 to 80%, you will get the marks without doing the calculation also. If you will maintain the statements and the figure you have to draw ultimately, so that you can secure here more than 60%. Okay, children? Yes, you see this? A tower stands vertically. First of all, you see that a tower stands vertically on the ground. What he is asking what he is asking here finally, what is the height of the tower? What is the height of the tower? Finally, let us take the height of the tower B, H, because height is na H we will take. Okay, so let us take. Here the question is, a tower stands vertically on the ground. See, first draw the figure very carefully, very neatly. A tower stands vertically. See, this is the tower. Tower stands vertically on the ground. This is the ground. Let us take. This is the ground. This is the base. Okay, children. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Let us take this is the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. How much? Away from the 15 meters. From foot of the tower, 15 meters away from the, once again, from a point which is, from a point, this is the point. From a point, let us take this is point is P. From a point which is, how much? Which is 15 meters. Which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is height now? Yes, 90 degrees it will be. Vertical. Then the angle of elevation. See, this is height you have, this is the horizontal. Above the horizontal. This is above the horizontal line is called line of sight. You know already I said that. And this is called angle of elevation. And this is called angle of elevation. Given that is 45 degrees. Given that is 45 degrees. Angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. The angle of elevation on top of the tower is 45 degrees. Then what will be the height of the tower? Then what will be the height of the tower? Let us see. Indicate this one, height of the tower B, AB. Height of the tower B, AB. And the point of observation. Point of observation is, let us take as P. And angle of elevation. The angle between line of sight and horizontal line. Line of sight and horizontal line is called angle with angle of elevation. Elevation is nothing but above the horizontal. Above the horizontal. This is 45 degrees. So now let us take, this is H meters. You have to maintain like this the figure. Let us take this is H. He is asking what will be the height of the tower. Yes. Directly solution, Anna. Solution. Yes. What is the first step? Let the height of a tower be H meters. Tower be H meters. Let the height of the tower be H meter. And the distance from point and foot of the tower. You have to mention that is very clearly. The distance from a point and foot of the tower. How much given? 15 meters. The distance from a point and foot of the tower is equal to distance. The distance from a point and foot of the tower is 15 meters. And one more step it is there. What is that? That is only we are doing today on angle of elevation. That is most important. Angle of elevation here. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is nothing but theta. Let us take theta. And yes, what is that? Angle of elevation? 45 degrees. Angle of Angle of elevation between, you can write even like this. Angle of elevation between height, vertical height and horizontal line. Even you can write, otherwise you can even mention like that. No issues. Fine. Angle of elevation is theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now what we have to find here? Height. The most important thing is what is the ratio? Which side we have? Which side we have? Horizontal line. Which side we have to find out? Opposite side. Once again, which side you have already standardly? Horizontal line, which is adjacent line. Which is adjacent side. And what we have to find out? Height, nothing but opposite side. Opposite side. Now you have to collect the ratio. What is the ratio related with adjacent and opposite? This is adjacent, horizontal. Opposite, height is nothing but opposite. What is the ratio you have related with opposite and adjacent? That is the most. For every ratio, for every two sides, there will be a two ratios. One is direct, the other is reciprocal. You can take whatever it is. If you take direct ratio, it will be better, right? Yes. Yes. What ratio you have related to these two sides? One is opposite, the other is adjacent. We have tan theta. The tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. So you can take the two ratios. Tan theta you can take or cotangent theta. Nothing but cot theta you can take. No issue. Two you can, but maximum 100%, not 99, even 0.9. 100% people they will take a tan itself. Okay, we will take tan because that is a direct ratio. Fine. What ratio we have related with the opposite and the adjacent? That is tan. So here, so before that, from the figure, what we have? Before that, from the figure, right angled triangle APB. From the right angled triangle ABP. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle P is equal to theta, which is 45 degrees. And PB is equal to 15 meters. And AB we have to find, that is H. AB we have to find that. So these are the statements. If you will maintain, you will get full marks, children. And now the process. Yes, you got it from the figure you done. And now, yes, what ratio already I said? What ratio related with opposite and adjacent? That is tan theta. Since tan theta is equal to AB by BP. AB by BP. You can take even cot also, so that it becomes adjacent by opposite. So that BP by AB you will get. BP by AB. But this is tan theta. Yes, tan theta is equal to AB by BP. Just substitute the values, calculate the H, which is height. You will get the answer. Yes, theta. Children, already you know theta is equal to how much? What is theta? Theta is nothing but see here. Theta is 45 degrees. Theta is 45 degrees. Is equal to AB. What is AB? H you taught already. Let the height of a tower be H meters. H by BP is equal to, already you took BP is equal to 15. BP is equal to 15. Now tan 45. Now tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to, already we completed the table in trigonometry. The tan 45 value is 1. The tan 45 value is 1. Just substitute the value of tan 45, that is, write down here 1 is equal to h by 15. Now do some calculation. Do whatever the related calculation. Now 1 into 15, 15 is equal to h. You got it directly without any, just multiply. See, the only statements are very lengthy. One maximum within a 1-2 steps, you can complete the calculation part. And one cross multiplication rate 1 into 15, 15. So you got it there. 15 is equal to h. Nothing but therefore, hence, height of a tower, how much? 15 meter. Height of the tower is 15 meter. Observe very careful, children. In the table, whatever the ratio, all 45s are absolutely equal. Means which is relatedly you have sine cos is relation. The sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1. Cosecant 45 is 1 by root 2. Sorry, root 2, and secant is root 2. All 45s are absolutely equal, which you have related to cos, sine, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. That means if this is 45, whatever the adjacent will be there, there will not be any changes. Suppose if you will have 15, this value becomes here 15. If this value is 20, this value becomes 20. If it is 45 degrees, angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Never changes you will get in angle of elevation. If the angle of elevation is 45 degrees, the side, the adjacent side and opposite side, it never changes the values. Remember, once again, let the height of the tower, we don't know, let us take h. And the distance from a point and the foot of the tower is 15 meters. Angle of elevation, given that is 45 degrees. From this figure, collect the values, that is BP is equal to 15, theta is equal to 45. This is at 90 degrees. Height we have to find, that is AB. Now, what relation, what ratio we have related to the opposite side and adjacent side? From the ratio, what we have, that is tan theta, either cot theta. You can take tan or cot. Try to take here tan because it is direct ratio. So better take tan theta is equal to, that is opposite is AB, adjacent is BB. So AB by BB. Substitute the value, we have theta, AB and BB. The theta is 45, AB is h and BB is 15. Tan 45 value from the table, collect that, the value is 1. So substitute here 1 and 1 into 15, 15 is equal to h, which is height of the elevation. Sorry, that is the height of the tower. So there, hence, height of a tower, vertical tower, is 15 meters. Only the statements most important. The calculation is very less. 60 to 80% maximum with the figure. If you will attempt, you will get out of 3 marks maximum. You will get only that is 1 mark. So most important, if you want to take out the screenshot, you can have one screenshot, children. We'll see one more problem so that you can clarify your doubts more, and also you can understand more. We'll see the one more problem. That is very next problem itself. It's a very important even. That is second problem from the 12.1 again. Yes. You see the second one from the 12.1 children. That is, try to draw first of all the figure. Try to draw first of all the figure. Yes. First, I will read the question. You have to understand the question very carefully. If you understand the question very carefully, it's very easy to execute the solution. It's very easy. Fine. A tree was broken. A tree was broken due to storm. You know, children, what is storm? A tree was broken due to storm. Idurgali, or what we say in Telugu, Tufan. Okay? The Idurgali will come now. So that, so a tree was broken due to storm. So that the wind will come very rush. Yes? So a tree was broken due to storm, and the broken part bends so the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees with the ground. Let us take here. This is the tree now. Here. This is the tree. Before storm has come. Before storm. Tufan Rakamundu. A tree was, that is, broken due to storm. Now it is broken due to storm, and the broken part bends so the top of the tree. See, now storm has come. Maybe let us take here, or otherwise here, the tree was broken and it is fell down like this, and it is fell down like this. So this part will come this side. This part is came like this. Now this is the tree. After storm has come, see here. Let us take at some place. Let us take this is at a sea. At the sea. At the sea, at the sea point, the tree was broken when the storm has come, and it is fell down like this on the ground. This is the ground. This is the ground. This is the ground. Okay, children? So one second. Broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches top of the tree. This is the tree. Top of the tree touches the ground by making an angle. Ground by making an angle. How much? 30 degrees. Making an angle 30 degrees. Angle of elevation, because above the horizontal line. Above the horizontal line. Whether it comes like this or going like this. But it is above the horizontal line, the line of sight. The line of sight is above the horizontal line, called angle of elevation. We are on that. So right, now this is the tree. Before storm has come like this, it is standing like this. Let us indicate this one as A, and see, this is B. A and B. Let us take height of the tree. Let us take AB. When the storm has come. When the storm has come, and at the place here, let us take indicate that is C, and it is fell down like this. And this is called C. B itself, no? This is called B only, no? This is B. That is also B, actually. So now this is actually what is the question? Let me see once. Yes, angle. The distance between foot of the tree here. The distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree here. This is top of the tree. Distance between and the distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree on the ground means this one here, not here. This one on the ground is 6 meters. This is 6 meters. See here. The distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree. With the ground means this side we have to take, not this one. Not this is AB is equal to 6 meters. This AB is equal to 6 meters. This is the part. AB is equal to 6 meters. Then what? Find the height of the tree before falling. Before falling down. What is the height of the? This is not height for your kind information. Yes, AB is the height of the tree. Yes, AB is the height of the tree. But you got it here. AB is 6 meters. This is after storm has come. Here, before storm has come, he is asking the question. Before storm has come, what is the height of the tree? He is asking. What is the height of the tree before storm has come? That word is not mentioned actually. Before falling down given. Yes. Before falling down, what will be the height of the tree? What will be the height of the tree? Understand, children, first of all? Here you have to understand first of all the question very carefully. Then after you can do some. Once again I will explain. Listen very carefully. Before storm has come, the tree was like this. Yes, here it is. Let us take the AB. After some storm, after tufan, after storm has come, the tree was broken. The tree was broken at some place. Indicate that some place at sea. Indicate some place that is the point at sea. So this is fell down like this. This is fell down like this. And the top of the tree touches the ground. The top of the tree touches the ground. And at that place, the angle made here 30 degrees with the help of the ground. The top of the tree and with the ground, the angle made with the 30 degrees. And also one more question given, that is the distance from the foot of the tower and the top of the tower with the ground. Here that is most important. Foot of the tree and the top of the tree. The distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6, but with the ground, not with the in air. Okay, with the ground. This is, and now this is a B, and you have a 6 meters. Angle of elevation given, that is 30. Now we have to find what is the height of the tree before the tree has broken, otherwise before the falling down. Actual height. The actual height is what? AB, nothing but AC plus CB we have to find. Simple. AC we have to find. This is CB indirectly. This is CB because we want angle. If you want to find out this one, we want angle. The angle has given 30 degrees. The angle has given 30 degrees. So this is. Okay, children? You have to understand the question very carefully. Then you can execute the solution ultimately. With the help of the statements, figure, you will get full out of it. Try to execute, your presentation must be super. Okay, so with the help of this statements, you will get that nice marks, right? And yes, got it. Let us go with the solution. First of all, yes, what we have to find before falling down the tree. Okay, now let us take this is x meter. So this is 6 meters means x meter, and let us take this is a y meter because we have to find AC and CB. We have to find because this is total height. Actually, height is AB. AB is nothing but AC plus CB. No, the CB is with the angle is this one. So AC we have to find CB. Let us take this is x meters and let us take this is a y meters. So yes, let the height of a tree before storm has come be x plus y meter. Yes, yes or no? This one we have to add, this one we have to add. Let us again, let the height of a tree before storm has come be x plus y meter. This is most important. Yes, x plus y meter. Now, what is given here? the distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree. Top of a tree with the ground. With the ground, how much? 6 meters. That is most important. If you will not write with the ground, it will be what is the difference between these two. See, this is the height of the tree. This is also the distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree. This is foot of the tree, top of the tree. This is also the same. But with the ground. With ground, then that will be 6 meters. And angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, that is nothing but how much? 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here we have to find out. Yes. Now what? You write from the figure. Over order, you written this statement, this written, you written already, and you written this one, and also angle you written. That means here from the figure now the word will come, the statement will come. From the figure what? From the figure, right angle triangle. Yes, right angle triangle. What is this, sir? BAC. Otherwise, BAC. Angle A is 90. Angle B is 30 degrees. Next, AB is equal to 6 meters. AC is equal to x meters, and CB equal to y meters. CB is equal to what? These all the statements are most important to get full out of full marks. What you draw, the same I am writing in 1 by 1 form. That's it. Okay, children? Yes. Just now we completed the bit just before. Yes. What if now we'll find first here. Okay, angle you written? Yes, this is angle. Na? This is the angle. Okay, I am writing here is equal to theta is equal to 30. More clarity will be you are giving here. Angle will be nothing but theta. Right, fine. Now we will find the only this AC. AC. This is the AC with the x. What we have standardly? What length you have standardly? Adjacent. Ground, adjustable, adjacent, baseline with horizontal. Yes, this is the standard side you have, which is called adjacent line. What we are going to find now? Let us take first one, that is opposite side. Which ratio we have? We related to this opposite and adjacent. Again the same. That is tan theta. That is tan theta. Yes, if you want to find out here y, suppose if you want to find out here y, what ratio we have to take? What is the standard? Standard we have adjacent. We have to find hypotenuse. Line of sight is called hypotenuse. What ratio we have related to the hypotenuse and adjacent is cos theta. And reciprocal cos theta is secant theta. Two ratios. Better take a direct ratio, that is cos theta, so that you will get the value of y. Okay, children. Now we will find that is x. Okay, you written what is the height of the tree? X plus y. The distance between the tree and the top of the tree with the ground 6 meters and angle of elevation. You written all the measurements. Now from tan theta is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. Theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 30 degrees. AC is what? X. AB is what? See, just I substituted the values. Tan 30. What is tan 30 value? Tan 30 value 1 by. That is the most important. The table is most important. You have to remember the values. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 from the table. If you will not remember instantly how to write the table with the whole numbers, already I said, I hope that in the very first class, right? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and by x by 6. This is 6. Check, just multiplication, send to LHS part, it becomes here into 6 is equal to x into 6. You can do the rationalization, otherwise you can leave it like that, 6 by root 3. But try to do the rationalization because, see, 6 into 1, 6 into 1. Okay, here I am writing x equal to x equal to. You can write a is equal to b is equal to a. There is no changes. So I am writing here x equal to 6 into 1, 6. Root 3 is root 6 by root 3. But as per the rule of algebra, you should not live with the root value in denominator. You should not live with the root value in the denominator section. It's a rule. So try to avoid that. Try to avoid. It's correct only, but try to avoid so that it looks okay. So now, how you will delete that one? The same, if you will take, it will delete. It will divide. Sorry, it will delete. So root 3 into root 3 is root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now root has cancelled. The denominator, if you have root 2, multiply numerator and denominator by root 2, so that the root will get cancelled. Root will get cancelled. Now 6 into root 3 is 6 root 3. 6 into root 3, 6 root 3. 3 ones are 3. 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are. Now 2 root 3 is a x value. 2 root 3 is a x value. 2 root 3 is a x value. Now we got it x value. We have to find out y value. Yes. What is y value? How you y? This is y now. What ratio? What ratio you have to take? This is standard. Okay, we got it x value, but don't take x because we have already standard value, which is adjacent. We have to find a hypotenuse. What ratio we have this with this? Already I said that. What? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to AB by CB. AB by CB. Yes. Theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to 30 degrees. AB is equal to 6. CB is equal to, how to find out? That is why. Next, cos 30 value. Cos 30 value. Cos 30 is equal to, what is the value of cos 30? You don't know. Simply we have to go to sin 60. Cos 30 is equal to sin 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. The total chapter depends upon 90 degrees right angle triangle. Cos 30 is equal to, we don't know. But sin 60 we have to root 3 by 2. So this also value becomes root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by y. Y bring to this side. And 6 na root 3 by 2 send to this side, it becomes like this. 6 into 2 by multiplicative inverse, send from one side to other, cross multiplication, otherwise we'll call. So that y into this one, y is equal to root 3 by 2 send to this side becomes 2 by root 3. Do here rationalization, that is root 3 by root 3. Already I said na, you should not live with the root in denominator. Try to avoid, try to ignore the root value in denominator as per the mathematical rules. Fine. Now this is 6 into 2, 12 root 3. Right? Root 3 how much? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. And now get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 4s are 3 4s are 12 root 3. 3 4s are 12 root 3. Therefore, y is equal to 4 root 3. Therefore, y is equal to 4 root 3. We have to find out what? X plus y. Come on. X plus y. What is x here? You got it. X is equal to 2 root 3. What is y? 4 root 3. 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 6 root 3. 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 6 root 3. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 6 root 3 meters. Hence, what is that? This one. Hence, the height of the tree. Hence, the height of a tree before falling down. 6 root 3 meter. Okay. 6 root 3 meter. Hence the height of a tree before falling. Before storm has come. Then what? That is 6 root 3 meters. 6 root 3 meter. Hence the height of the tree. So this is a very small problem. But see how if you expand like this, very next second after seeing some statements with the help of this figure, you will get full marks. Whether this is small calculation will wrong, also you will get maximum you will get. You have to try to attempt like this all the statementical problems. We will see multi figures also. We will see multi figures also in the further classes after completing angle of depression. Tomorrow or next class we will see the angle of depression. After completing the angle of elevation and angle of depression, you will see the multi figures. That multi figures, if you will understand the applications of trigonometry. If you understand this one very clearly, the applications of trigonometry is very easy to execute in the final examination, students. So take a screenshot, okay now? And you can raise the doubts if you have. Otherwise, you can watch the video again in YouTube, the same problem. If you will get any doubts, you can raise or into the particular my number so that I can clarify your doubts. Take a screenshot, children. Only one problem I will give as a homework. That is from the 12.1 itself. That is from the 12.1. Fourth one. From the 12.1. Fourth one. Fourth problem as homework. I want very clear statements. I want very clear statement. Yes. What will be that? I want very clear statements from 12.1 exercise fourth problem. Okay, children, and we'll wind up today's class. We'll meet in the next class with angle of depression. That is also most important. Thank you once again.